Another project I want to do today is get some Sansevierias repotted into this big container. So this is a beautiful mint green color bowl, kind of like plastic bowl. And I got some clay balls to go in the bottom of the container because this is like a deep container. So these clay balls help with the drainage of the soil. I'll show you what I have lined up here. Almost quarter of the container is filled with clay balls, and I'll get some soil now. I'm going to start with the big ones. Let's see if we can get it out of this pot easily. Wasn't too bad. Because I got all these other ones, I don't think I want to use all of them, but I'll see if I can alright, I'm just going to use this big one to the side. Get the other one. I can see another pop coming out. I don't have much experience with Sansevieria. I didn't really like them to start with, but now I think they are fascinating. Look at all these big leaves and pattern. Just do a bit of cleanup on this one. I don't know if you can see, they are all interconnected, but I'm going to separate them. I'll show you this one as an example. So it's growing from the side. So you can just break it up and use it as individual plant, I think. I think I should use another variety. These don't look that great, but we'll see. Soil is so dry, I can't. I'm having difficulty to separate them. Let me have a look. I think I need to move the ones at the back a little bit, this way, that way. Definitely need, it's not looking too bad. I definitely need more soil. So go and get that. So almost done. I'm not doing this as a display arrangement. I want them to grow and produce more pups and fill this pot. So that's why I have left enough space between them. Let me do a bit of cleanup. When I was doing the cleanup, I wasn't really happy with where they were placed, so I'm going to just swap them around. All right, there it is, the finished product. So I had this one over this scent to begin with. I thought this and that one is too similar. Maybe it is, but the color is different. And when I compared this one with that one, it was like too similar. So I wanted them to go around and swap places. There it is, guys. So hopefully it will grow beautifully and keep growing. And there it is, among a few other arrangements. I love the color of that pot. Forest green. I got one more thing to do today, which is repotting these Senecio angel wings. Look at that, beautiful velvety leaves. I better not touch the leaves because it will leave, you can see there, leave a mark on the leaves. So this white coating is called farina, and it's for the sun protection for the plant. I've had these two, so I got two of them. I've had these two for almost a month now. They are in the nursery pot. I find they like water. So when the soil is dry, the leaves go droopy, and that's a sign you need to water it. So let's start. I was hoping I could fit two of them in this pot, but not really. Got another pot. It's not the same pot, but similar. Got nice, beautiful roots. So it's all done, potted up, and it's on a stand at the front entrance. I moved the Sansevieria to the other side. I thought it fits better over here and it gets more sunlight over this side too. So there it is. The spring has started. That means a lot of repotting, propagation, cleaning up, and all that things. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching.